Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and I got my hands on the Ticpod Pro or the Ticpod 2 Pro. Now, these guys caught my eye because I'm a fan of AirPods and I've been using AirPods for the past 2 years, and they look like they were similar design. And then there's also some features with these guys that just made me say, hey, I definitely got to try these out. For one, they had gestures that you can just swipe and press and hold on the earbuds, and they would do different things. And then to take it to another level, they had something called like motion gesture, where you could like bob your head up and down or side to side to like take calls or reject calls. And I'm like, I definitely got to try this out. And then I also like the fact that they had dual noise cancellation. What I mean by that is that each headset, or at least the way I understood it, each earbud or Ticpod has mics built into it. So if you're just using one and not the other, then it can use that mic to cancel the outside noise so that if you're taking a call, people can hear you better. So I'm like, that's pretty cool, because most of the time with my AirPods, I just put one on and keep the other one in its case because I'm at work or I'm just, doing something else where I'm around people. So that's pretty cool. Now, I literally got these like within 30 minutes ago. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I'm going to be doing a full review in about a week. So if there's something that you guys want me to check out or you guys think that I should look into, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But taking a look at the box, it says Ticpod Pro, true wireless, and then it's got tick here, tick motion, and those are some of the features that I've been talking about, just like the quick commands, the head gestures, the dual mic noise cancellation. It's got fast charging. So it's got a lot of stuff going for it, and I'm just excited to test it out. But this is what the box looks like, and then you just slide this thing out right here, and you get this other box, which is a matte cardboard box finish. And if we take that apart, you get the quick start guide. And this is just like any other quick start guide from any company. It's double-sided, and it's got all the information on how to pair your device, how to use the multimedia gestures, also how tiny it is and that it could fit in a small pocket. And that's pretty exciting. And then these are the actual Ticpods. So they come in this nice small little case, and it looks really nice. Like in terms of the case, it's got a pattern to the top and a smooth finish everywhere else. And I just love how small it is. Like, it'll definitely fit inside a small pocket. Now, this right here is the blue version, but it also comes in different versions like white and also pink. So if you are wanting to rock pink earbuds or Ticpods, then you could definitely get yourself some pink ones to match your gear. But I went ahead with the navy blue just because I wanted to be a little bit different from the AirPods that I have, the white ones. So that's what this one looks like. And then when you open it up, you get the actual Ticpods in here. And let me see how they fit real quick. Okay, so they're very similar to the AirPods in terms of the way they fit in your ear. Like, not the AirPod Pro. The AirPod Pros actually have like the silicone or the foam gel, and they go in your ear. But these ones, they just sit in your ear. They don't go inside of it, which I really like, and they don't seem to be falling. And they're pretty comfortable. I would say as comfortable, maybe not, if more comfortable than the AirPods. I don't know. We'll have to see this in the full test, but that's what they look like. And yeah, that they feel good in the hands or in the ear. And then you also get, if I can get this in correctly, I may have put them in the wrong way. Yeah, so there's a little magnetic thing that pulls them in when you're putting them in. And they also get two lights right here. I'm assuming each light is for one of the pods to let you know it's fully charged. And then this top part doesn't seem like it comes off, but this bottom part has a quick start guide, Ticpod 2 Pro, Ticpod 2, and it's just a more in-depth, manual than the quick start guide. And then you also get a USB-A to USB-C, and it's wrapped up here. It's not tiny. It's more like maybe a foot, a little bit longer than a foot, but it's definitely not 3 feet. So you get a cable, you get the manual stored in the side right here, and then you get the actual Ticpods or Ticpod 2 Pros. So I'm excited to test these out. I'm going to be testing them out the rest of this week through the weekend and making a video next week. Like I said, if there is something you guys want me to check out specifically about these guys, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. If it's your first time to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.